To do a bleach wash on your hair, pour some clarifying shampoo into a bowl and combine 1 ounce, 30 milliliters each of bleach and developer in a separate bowl. Stir the shampoo into the bleach mixture until they're thoroughly combined. Wet your hair with cool water and towel dry it so it is damp but not dripping. Drape an old towel around your shoulders and put on rubber gloves. Apply the bleach bath to your hair, working from ends to roots. Clip your hair up with plastic clips and cover it with a shower cap. After about 7 to 10 minutes, examine a small section of your hair to see if it's as light as you want it to be yet. Depending on your hair color and the strength of the bleach, the process may take anywhere from 7 to 30 minutes. Rinse your hair thoroughly when you're done. If you plan to dye your hair, don't use conditioner.